Hello everyone. You're too busy, you're too hungry, and you want to eat it something delicious. So, let me tell you, this egg drop curry will save your time and you can have an amazing meal. So, why late? Let us start. All you need is 2 medium sized onions chopped and 5 to 6 chilies long slit and 3 medium sized tomatoes chopped and 3 eggs of course. Take a pan and add 7 tablespoons of oil and add chopped onions and chilies into it and allow them to fry or till they turn golden brown color. Once they turn golden brown color, just give a quick stir and add all the chopped tomatoes, that is 3 medium sized tomatoes, into the pan and then stir it nicely and allow them to cook for another 5 minutes or 4 minutes or till they turn soft like this. Once you get this texture, add a pinch of ginger garlic paste, a little bit of turmeric and chili powder. Here I have taken 1.5 tablespoon. If you want to have more chili, you can add it more, otherwise you can reduce it according to your taste, and also salt according to your taste. Give it a quick stir and then close the lid and allow the tomatoes and the chilies and all the masala to cook well. Once you get the oil from the edges of the pan, this is the correct consistency. You need to add water. Here I have added half a cup of water. For the total process, see, first I have added a little bit, that is 3 to 4 tablespoons, and then I have given a quick stir and again I have added another 5 to 7 tablespoons, that makes half a cup of water, and then I have allowed it to boil. Once you get a boil, this is the time you need to add your eggs. I have taken 3 eggs over here. Now break them and then add it into the pan. See, like this, you need to give some gaps, otherwise they'll be overlapped. So once you give the gaps and you cook it on a lower flame, you will get this consistency. This is the time you divide the eggs separately, otherwise if you try to separate it at the end, everything gets mixed. So once you divide it, again close the lid for 1 more minute, cook it on a medium flame. This will be the consistency. See, a little bit of oil gets separated from the edges of the pan. Now twist or flip your eggs and then again cook it nicely for another 2 to 3 minutes. See, the oil gets separated and your gravy is all ready to set. That's it. Turn off the stove and serve it hot with rice or else chapatis or rotis. This is one finger licking egg drop curry. You'll love it and want to cook it all the time. You can save your time as well as you can have a delicious meal. Trust me, you'll truly love this. This is so simple, and with all the ingredients available in your kitchen, you can cook it within a very little time. So enjoy and don't forget to subscribe.